Next question relates to anger. Dr. Zakir, regarding anger management in the month of Ramadan, people are fasting during the month of Ramadan, they're getting angry. Is there any excuse for a person getting angry in the month of Ramadan? Is it a valid excuse indeed for them to say, we are fasting, we're entitled to get angry?
In fact, it's opposite. That a person, while fasting, he should not get angry. Because Allah says in the Quran, in Surah Baqarah, chapter number 2, verse number 183, that fasting has been prescribed to you as it was prescribed to people who came before you, so that you may learn self-restraint. It says, allakum, tattaqoon, so that you may learn self-control. So in fact, if you're fasting, all the more reason you should not get angry. It is the opposite. It can't be a valid excuse that because I'm hungry, because I'm tired, I can get angry. It is the opposite. And our beloved Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu said, it's mentioned in the Sahih Hadith of Sahih Bukhari, volume number 3, in the book of fasting, Hadith number 1904. Our beloved Prophet said that fasting is a shield. And you should not speak obscenely. You should not yell at anyone else. And if someone abuses you, or someone tries to provoke you, or someone tries to make you angry, you should say, I'm fasting, I'm fasting. And the same message is repeated also in Sahih Bukhari, volume number 3, in the book of fasting, Hadith number 1894. My beloved Prophet said that someone provokes you or makes you angry, say, I'm fasting, I'm fasting. It further repeated even in Sahih Muslim, several places. And our beloved Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu said, it's mentioned in Sahih Bukhari, volume number 8, in the book of manners, Hadith number 6114. Our beloved Prophet said that the strong person is not one who defeats another person with his strength. The stronger person is not one who overcomes another with his strength, but the stronger person is one who, when someone makes him angry, he forgives him. He does not get angry. So actually, fasting shows us a way how to control ourselves. And as you rightly said, it's somewhat like management on how to control your anger.
Subhanallah. Well, if we can control our anger whilst we're fasting, we can do it anytime, inshallah.
Inshallah.